to buy insurance in USA. Buying private health insurance. Your option if you are not eligible through your employer. If your employer does not offer you to health insurance as part of an employee's benefit program, you may be looking at purchasing your own health insurance through a private health insurance company. Beyond travel insurance, global review team of medical and security experts help you anywhere in the world. A premium is the amount of money an individual or business pays to an insurance company for coverage. Health insurance premiums are typically paid monthly. Employers who offer an employer sponsored health insurance plan typically cover part of the insurance premiums. If you need to insure yourself, be paying the full cost of the premiums. It is common to be concerned about how much it will cost to purchase health insurance for yourself. However, there are various options and prices available to you based on the level of coverage you need. When purchasing your own insurance, the process is more complicated than simply selecting a company plan and having the premium payments come straight out of your paycheck every month. Here are some tips to help guide you through the process of purchasing your own health insurance. Key takeaways: you may need to purchase individual health care coverage if you just turned 26, are unemployed or self employed, work part time, or starting a business that will have employees, or have recently retired. If you do not have the option of enrolling in an employer sponsored health insurance plan, a good source for gaining insurance coverage is through the health insurance marketplace that was created in 2014 by the Affordable Care Act ACA. If you are at least 65 or disabled, you can enroll in Medicare with the option to add additional coverage through a private Medigap or Medicare Advantage plan. How buying private health insurance works. Some Americans get insurance by enrolling in a group health insurance plan through their employer. Medicare provides health care coverage to seniors and the disabled, and Medicaid has coverage for low income Americans. Medicare is a federal health insurance program for people who are 65 or older. Certain young people with disabilities and people with end stage renal diseases may also qualify for Medicare. Medicaid is a public assistance health care program for low income Americans regardless of their age. If your company does not offer an employer sponsored plan and if you are not eligible for Medicare or Medicaid, individuals and families have the option of purchasing insurance policies directly from private insurance companies or through the health insurance marketplace. Scenarios when you might need private health insurance. There are certain circumstances that make it more likely that you will need to purchase your own health insurance plan. A young adult 26 years of age or older, under the provisions of Affordable Care Act ACA of 2010, young people can be covered as dependents by their parents' health insurance policy until they turn 26-year-old. After that, they must seek out their own insurance policy. Unemployed. If you lose your job, you may be eligible to maintain coverage through your employer's health insurance plan for a period of time through a program called the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Reconciliation Act (COBRA). COBRA allows eligible employees and their dependents the options to continue health insurance coverage at their own expenses. While covering through COBRA can be maintained for up to 36 months under certain circumstances, the cost of enrolling in COBRA is person pays the entire cost of the insurance. Typically, employers pay a portion of health care premiums on behalf of their employees. Important. As part of the American Rescue Plan, the government will reimburse COBRA costs by 100% if the taxpayer lost a job due to COVID-19. This Subsidy will last from April 1, 2021 through September 30, 2021. The subsidy tax-free will be paid in advance. A part a part-time employee. Part-time jobs rarely offer health benefits. A part-time job is any position that requires employees to work a lower number of hours than would be considered full-time by their employer or 40 hours per week. If you work part-time, you usually must enroll in your own health insurance. Self-employed. A self-employed person may work as a freelancer or own a business. Some self-employed people can get health insurance through spouse plan. If not, they must provide their own health insurance. A business owner who has employees. If you start a business, you have employees, you might be required to offer them health insurance. Even if it's not required, you might decide to offer health insurance in order to be a competitive employer that can attract qualified job candidates. In this situation, you will be required to purchase a business health insurance plan, also known as group plan. If you retire, your spouse parent retires. When you retire, you will likely no longer be eligible for employees sponsored by a health insurance. If you are under 65 and not disabled, you will need to purchase individual private health insurance until you turn 65 and can apply for Medicare. Many retirees choose to purchase private Medicare or Medicare Advantage plans in addition to Medicare as a way of granting more comprehensive coverage. Some retired people may also decide to completely replace Medicare coverage with a private Medicare Advantage plan. It is important to note that the Medicare, Medigap, and Medicare Advantage plans are only for the individual. Your spouse, partner, and any dependents cannot be insured through your Medicare plan. This means that if your family was previously insured through your employer's plan and retire, your family members may need to enroll in individual insurance plans drawn by your existing insurer. Although the Affordable Care Act prevents insurer from cancelling your coverage due to pre-existing condition or because you made a mistake on your application, there are other circumstances when your coverage may be cancelled. It's also possible that your insurance may become so expensive you can't afford it. Why you should purchase health insurance? If you find yourself in one of the above situations and lack health insurance coverage, it's important to enroll in an individual plan as soon as possible. Even though you are not required to have insurance, you cannot predict when an accident will occur that will require medical attention. Even a minor broken bone can have major financial consequences if you are uninsured. If you purchase an insurance through the health insurance marketplace, you may be eligible for income-based premium tax credits for or cost sharing deduction. The health insurance marketplace is a platform that offer insurance plans to individual families and small business. The Affordable Care Act established the marketplace as a means to achieve maximum compliance with the mandate that all Americans be enrolled in health insurance. Many states offer their own marketplace while the federal government manages an exchange open to residents of other states. While you may not be eligible to afford that same kind of plan, an employer would offer you an any amount of coverage is more advantageous than going without in the event of a major accident, a long term illness. You will be prepared